This is Stormy. He's a cockatiel, and you'll have to take my word for it, but he's older than the oldest living cockatiel according to the Guinness Book of World Record, which is 29. And he's approximately 32 years old. Is that right? 32. My wife and my mother-in-law gave him to my wife's grandmother in 1985 at around the beginning of March, and he was born maybe sometime January in Fairfield, California. They picked him out from an elderly lady that was had a big wall of cockatiels to pick from. He was just a couple of months old when they picked him out, just a little baby. And when my wife's grandmother passed away a few years back, we inherited him. He has been living on a diet of cockatiel, what is it? What kind of seed? Cockatiel lovebird mix. He gets a couple of pieces of white enriched bread toast a week. He gets all excited when you say toast. You like toast, huh? Oh, he's trying to get some right now, and he's whistling for it. And then we feed him his Cheerios for his cholesterol. He's had Cheerios and popcorn. Pretty much that's his diet, and fresh water. Yeah, just standard white and rich sandwich bread. He loves it. But it's kept him around for 32 years. There's no way to prove it. We don't have a receipt. You just have to take our word for it. But in the wild, these birds lived like 10 to 14 years. So he's made 32 trips around the sun. Huh. And he's a handsome little buddy. He's a handsome bird. Okay, we'll get you some toast. There's a little piece left in there. You saw it. We'll get you some toast. Pretty bird.